Hey, what's up guys? So after launching the flagship Moto Edge 40 Pro smartphone in the global market, Motorola is now gearing up to launch a new smartphone called the Motorola Edge 40. The smartphone has made appearance on TDRA and FCC websites, hinting at an imminent launch. It is listed with model number XT23032 on TDRA website with Motorola Edge 40 moniker. We already know how the device will look like thanks to the renders which were posted by a reliable source. It has a beautiful curved display with slim bezels and a thin bottom chin. There is a hole punch cutout in the top center of the display. It could be a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. The display is expected to support HDR10+ and 1200 nits of peak brightness level, making it visible in extreme sunlight. It was recently spotted on Geekbench database with an octa-core MediaTek CPU. The listing points towards the Dimensity 1100 SoC. However, recent leaks have suggested that the device would use a new Dimensity 8020 SoC. It's little confusing, but we will have to wait for more concrete information from reliable sources. The device might be heading to India soon as it is certified by Bureau of Indian Standards. It will feature a dual camera setup at the back. The main camera is gonna be a 50 megapixel lens with optical image stabilization support and a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The camera setup seems to be a downgrade as its predecessor had two 50 megapixel sensors along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, which we all know doesn't make any sense. Moving to the front, a 32 megapixel selfie shooter is located inside a hole punch. The battery on the Moto Edge 40 could be a 4400 mAh with 68-watt fast charging support. It is likely to come in 128 and 256 GB storage options, and it should run on Android 13. More on this will be covered on my channel, so do consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.